What's up, everybody? We are back. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I know I did. Ate a little too much, gained some more weight, but that's what it's all about, right? Anyways, I picked up a new toy. Stick around. We're going to take a look at it right after this. All right, so I've been wanting to pick one of these up for a long while. Never had the funds, still don't have the funds, but Derek found this and it was so cheap I couldn't not get it. It was a great deal. Anyways, leave me a thumbs up if you want to see some videos of the entire rebuild process of this new toy, and I'll make it happen. Anyways, on to the goods. We got a 1997 Sea-Doo GTX Bombardier, however you would like to pronounce it. Just got a little damage right there. This cow's busted on the front. Cheap fix. Pretty clean outside of all that. Got a little bit of spider web cracks in the gel coat here. I'll sand that down, spray some new gel coat. I may spray this whole thing and black it out. Let me know what you guys think about that. Anyways, I got this thing for $100. Doesn't have a trailer, obviously. I spent the last hour or so out here freezing my friends off, making that guy. Obviously, for $100, this thing doesn't run. And I popped the hood a little bit ago, and I believe this is why. This is part of the rave valve, and that goes in and out as the piston goes up and down. Has to be in perfect timing, or it'll knock the corner off of it like you see here. Not cool. Everything's here though. I talked to Tom. It's the Sea-Doo engine shop, and super cool guy. Turnaround time's gonna kill me though, but winter time I'm not gonna be riding this thing anyways. So I'm gonna send this motor off. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna see if I can fix it myself with a top end rebuild. I don't know, we'll see. We will see what happens when this puppy comes out. But worst case scenario, I'm sending it to Tom up in good old Pennsylvania. Go Pens. And he said I should, if I send it the next week or two, I should have it back in February, which will give me plenty of time to go over this thing and make the changes I want to make, like put new padding on there, which that's an awesome feature, especially on a $100 jet ski. I'm gonna pull the pump apart, the pump housing, probably replace the wear ring, put it in the blast cabinet, paint it up, make it look nice again, and just clean this guy up, see what we end up with. Hopefully do some riding come springtime. Anyways, that's all I got for you right now. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with a friend. Sharing is caring, and we will see you guys on the next one. Later.